How to get activation key on ADCB. So in this tutorial I'm going to tell you that how you can get your activation key on ADCB. So for that, open any of the web browser and you'll have to go and search for the ADCB banking. So search for ADCB and make sure it's the legit website and click on that. Once you click over there, you'll be redirected to their interface and you have to scroll all your way down to the website's footer. So just scroll down until you see this. Now here under this get in touch, you'll see call us option. So just click on that. Now here you can see the numbers, like if you are within UAE, you can call on this number. For Islamic banking, you can call on this number, and if you're outside UAE, you can just call on this number. So once you call on this number, your call will be redirected to an officer over there who will help you with the verification process. So after that, they will send you the key on the registered phone number through SMS, which is registered with your banking system. And after that, you can just activate your account following the steps that the officer asks you to do. So this is quite simple. Just go and grab the number and give a call. So that is how you can get your activation key on ADCB. If you like this tutorial, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.